So when I first went to Saginaw Valley, I didn't know what I wanted to do. Got married. My wife and I had a conversation. She's a pediatric intensive care nurse at Covenant, and she said, "You love kids and you love sports. Why don't you think about being a physical education teacher?" So got my bachelor's and got my master's and applied here and got hired, first job. So, when I was growing up, mom was always home, right? Dad worked and mom was always home. And I see a lot of the kids are going home to nothing. Mom and dad are both working and stuff. And so to be able to maybe to have someone to talk to that they don't have at home, or being an only child, something like that. So I think coming to school for some of our kids, it's a safe haven, right? There's 2 meals a day for them that are here. They feel safe. Freeland's an amazing school district where I don't think any of our kids come to school on a daily basis, but I don't think they feel that threat of the outside world, once they get here. I see kids that aren't excited for summer to get here because this is where they enjoy being. And so as a teacher, we want to be that safe place and that familiar face for them. And same thing when they see me in the community, that they approach me and I approach them, and like they're a friend, if you will. I think we all come in with baggage that people don't know the things that we've dealt with in our lives, and we have to put on a front, and be positive for everybody that comes through. And so I think just trying to make an impact on one student every single day, and obviously that happens more. I don't think about tests and stuff like that, so what, everybody got 100%. That's, to me, if you failed it, I get to fix it, on Monday and retest with it again. So if we go back to football, I always say we win games because we have great kids, and we lose games because coaches don't have kids prepared. That's how we look at our program, and I think that's the same thing in here, is that obviously there are kids that are not going to study and they're not going to do the things that they're supposed to do for a test, but we still feel like we failed, if we didn't do that with them. So I always write on the board when I taught 7th grade that my job title is teacher. It's not failure, right? And so I'm trying to teach you. So again, just the hello, Mr. Townsend, how are you today? And have a great day. Those are successful days for me sometimes.